Welcome back to another video, guys. This is episode 3 of the Marlborough Sound series, and in today's episode we're going to be heading out to the Tory Channel with our mullet. Nice. First mullet of the day. It'll go well for the blue cod fishing. There you go. Neat. Here we go, here's another mullet. Yes, big one. And we're going to head out, hopefully get into a few blue cod, and then we'll cook it up on the fire like we did with the mackerel. So let's get into it. It's so hard to reel with. Oh.
You're in front?
Yeah. I can't rewind the other way. I don't think it's very big because this rod is very sensitive. I think it's still on, but it's not big. It might be a spotty. He's fighting a bit. Oh no, it's a good cod.
Got peel in front, there's things coming.
What a start. I didn't even feel that big. Nice. Two in a row, yo!
That's a two big cod. It was like 40 centimetre cod 2 times.
Take him.
Do we have the Aki stick? Oh yeah. I'm heading down that way.
Okay, so Finn, that's christened. One new rod's christened anyway, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a cod too. That's a cod, David, isn't it? You know it.
Look, Will's in.
Better?
Yeah.
Will's got one.
Oh.
Just concentrate. Concentrate. Wee bit of movement up and down, won't do any straight. Just up and down. Strike that, Finn.
Ah, missed it.
Just down there.
Oh.
Oh,
That's
a
on.
good fish. That's a good fish. A real good fish. So we've got the triple.
Yo!
So it might need to be tighter.
Ah! That's a nice one.
It might be just small, I
I
think.
think it is. Oh, better. But it's close.
I've got a soldier fish.
That's okay.
Soldier. Oh, looks.
Shall we keep him dead?
Oh, that's going to slide.
I think this one's too small.
I think Rug's a slide. Go again? Dad?
Yeah, give it a go. I'm not happy with it, but give it a go. Yeah, we'll keep that. We'll keep that, Finn.
Righto.
Soldier boy.
Oh, let's have a look.
He's not messing. No, we'll put him back.
Bait on the fin.
Yeah, it's so much better than the bait.
Down and instantly you bite. It's made
So we are using the squid skirts with bait.
my bait's packed.
Hopefully.
I just get excited when I see that rod.
He's going for a swim. Oh, it's another nice bluey. Really nice bluey. Sick.
Soldier.
That's huge. See, I get the occasional bite, but it's a big fish. He should be gone.
I don't have a catch. I only got 3 fish.
Ooh,
Just take your time, Finn. Take your time, okay?
it's probably a dogfish.
Yeah, it probably is. And it could be Barry, it could be anything. Get your rod's out the way, Will. I need you to back out. You won't
Ugh. Man, he's heavy.
Yeah. Good boy, well done, mate. Drop back out now, mate.
Hopefully it's not a dogfish.
He's swimming over this way.
Unfortunately it is.
It's
Oh
Real
my
good doggy.
gosh.
Watch the rod
I thought that was going to be a snapper.
They're really fat doggy. Oh, he's not happy either.
That was a PB dog.
No, it's probably just as
Have you got
big.
one of those hook releases here?
It's easy to get the hook off them. Right,
Put him back.
later, mate.
But that is a white.
It's actually not that bad. It's the biggest
That
one
is
before.
smaller than a white. Oh. What's going on?
Pretty huge.
Pretty huge. That's
No, I'm kidding. Right, we'll get our fillets on now. We'll get some pepper on our beautiful blue cod. Looks nice. Right, we'll give it a flip. Oh, nice and white, flaky. Mean. Just about done. Looking good. Give it a taste. Too good. Yum. Alright, cut, my hands are burning. Beautiful, fresh blue cod. Just from the sea. Can't get much better. Alright, hope you enjoyed. See you next time.